From crazy life-taking crashes to police chase crashes. These are the best car crash moments.
Protect them.
I don't quite understand why some drivers speed during this kind of rainy weather.
Ah! Oh my god! What's the matter?
Someone just pulled out right in front of me. Hit me.
Oh fucking no!
Obeying traffic lights has now been a problem for many drivers. Who was at fault here? I guess he did not like the lane blocker that much. Trafficators are built for some reasons, I think.
What? What shit? Bagigyo, Salo. Shit.
It's approved. Was it a dead end back here? Go, 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 go.
He's bailing right now.
No, he's not. Come back to Maine, come back to Maine.
Remember, you may hurt yourself and other people when you try to speed in a busy road.
Holy shit!
What your question is? Are you asking does it have a right to?
I think Tucker's stalling for time here. No, I'm...
Please never try to cut through a trailer.
Их стали искать на выезде из города. Они попытаются сделать так называемый рывок за пределы Москвы.
They could have avoided that if both drivers had waited for orders.
Unde te duci? Mă, bebe, că era poliția!
Trying to prove yourself on the road is not a very good thing to do. Some drivers are not patient, almost putting these drivers in danger.
Fucking ass.
Did I hit you?
No, nothing.
Alright, just go.
I'm so sorry.
At least he realized his fault.
Hey, you can't park there! I don't think you can park there, you fucking retard!
Drifting sometime can be a fool's business.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You got that? You got that?
Some people just don't learn.
Gosh, she's crashing into everything.
We're in its fine. I think we can go in this lane because we don't have to go to the house.
Whoa! Where did they, what were they doing?
Hey, we're okay.
Dumbass. Jesus.
Multiple reviews were on the same sex IP research.
Fucking psycho, bro. Jesus Christ.
Estimates, therefore, many studies cannot reliably establish that lesbian IP rates are higher than heterosexual rates.
Crazy.
Why does truck drivers always think they own the road?
I mean, that is pushing it, bro.
Yeah. Still going. Jesus Christ, brother.
Well, he brake checked the truck.
Really?
Yeah. That's why he went like that.
Oh, dude. Holy shit.
What tow truck?
How do you even end up in situations like this?
Baby, get out, Carter. Thanks, Mom. Boat's going down. Did someone call?
I'm gonna watch those guys are killing over here. They're murdering.
I believe they do have an open.
Yeah, dude, those guys are all funny as shit.
God, if you saw me on stage yesterday, I could be one of those fucking.
You might be driving and the next thing... a ticket straight to jail. Speeding too much just to end up in the wrong road. Where did that come from?